Right, now it's time to add a title and logo to your Dreamweaver page. Obviously in my design I've got sort of a brown border and I'm going to write the title there with the logo to the left of it. I'm actually going to make the title and logo in PowerPoint first. So I've used an auto shape to write this title, Recycled GB. Obviously you write your own company name. I just picked the one with the curved edges, I quite like that one, and you can type straight into that box. Now I'm going to set the colour scheme for it, so format, I think I would quite like this kind of effect but in a different colour. So I've chosen the effect. I'm going to want a thicker border around the edge. I'll go with 4.5 there. And then I'm going to change the fill effect. If you go to gradient, more gradients, you can change the colours. So my background, I want it to be a kind of browny colour. I'm going to start with brown here, select the second part of the gradient, go for a lighter option, and let's see what that looks like. Good, I'm pleased with that. We just need to change the shape outline colour. I think I want mine to be black. Then all I've done, I've used the text box and just rotated it with the green dot there to add the .com onto my title. And I've got a logo from Bing Images, which I'm going to put to the left there. At the moment it's got a white background, but you can take that off with the colour tab here. If we set a transparent colour and we set it to be white, it should sit much nicer on the title bar there. Right, I'm happy with that. Now we need to get this into Dreamweaver. So select everything, group it together, then right click, save it as a picture. So inside your website folder, one of the folders should say images, and I'm going to save this as title text. So save. And you can go back to Dreamweaver now. I'm going to use a layer to put this in, or an AP div it's called. If you go to Insert, Layer Objects, AP div, these blue boxes are like text boxes. They can hold anything. You can position them anywhere on your screen. But I'm going to want the title to go along the top here. So I'll just make this box hopefully big enough. And if I go Insert Image, and if I say where I saved it, Year 8 website folder, images, title text. Now at the moment I can see the size of this is going to be far too big, but we can resize it once it's on the screen. So that is far too big. You've got these little black handles, and you can resize things. Okay. The reason you've got a dotted line here is because that blue box we made earlier is smaller than the actual image. If you click on the little blue square in the corner there, and then just resize the box a little bit, that line goes away. Click on Live View to see what it will look like when it's an actual web page, but that's your title done there, I think. I'll just click off Live View and we're back to the normal view.